And it goes a little something like
Hello mga kabitoys, nandito po kami ngayon sa shop. Makahilata. Ano saying?
No.
Why?
You ally me.
No, I'm not awing you.
No, no, no.
Oh, you're bad.
You are bad.
No, I'm not. Oh, see? You spunked me.
You're naughty, mommy.
No, I'm not naughty.
You are naughty.
No, you're the one.
You.
Oh, see? You spunked me.
No, mga kapitoys.
Why you... Why? Why? Mommy will sing Ako ay may lobo.
No.
Why?
I don't like to sing Ako My Lobo. I'm not.
Are you mad at me?
Yes.
Why are you mad at me?
You spunk me.
I'm not spanked you. Ikaw kaya nag-spank sa akin.
You.
Sino may sabi?
Sing.
Ikaw lang naman pala eh. Speak Tagalog.
No.
Why? Speak Tagalog. Don't speak English.
No.
No ka dyan. You know how to speak Tagalog na, di ba? Yes. Are you mad?
No. You're not me. You're not my name.
No?
You're not my name, me. Diba? You know not my name. Diba? You know not my name, guys.
No, I'm no. We don't know your name. What is your name?
No, I'm not name. My name is Zane, guys. Can I help me?
Why would I help you? I don't want to help you.
Because it's just too heavy. Can I help me, Mom?
No, I don't like.
You took the day another one.
Di ba galit ka kay ma'am?
Guys. Pauline.
Ano kulin? So, ayan, galit po siya sa akin. Are you mad at me? Wait. Are you mad at me?
I'm going to spunk you.
You see, you're ugly.
I'm not ugly. You are ugly, mommy.
No, I'm not. You're ugly. Look at your face. Oh, see?
It's not funny. It's not funny, Mama.
It's funny.
It's not funny anyway.
Why are you mad at me?
No, I need to
So,
speak.
dinudugo na po yung ilong ko sa kanya. Nakakaintindi naman po siya ng Tagalog. Pag kinausap ko po siya, Tagalog po ako. Pero sasagot niya po sa akin is English. I am right. Zane. Hi.
Hey, stop it!
Why?
Wala ako
Why?
guys.
Sally Gumbay. Galit po siya. Galit ka ba? Galit?
Yes.
Why are you galit?
I going to collect
Why are you galit?
because
Ano?
Ow.
Ano? Ow. Ano ka, dog? Ano sabi ng dog? Are you chicken? Ano ka?
I'm really boss.
Ha?
I'm a boss, babe.
You're a boss, baby. Eh, how about me?
So you are a boss.
Me, I'm a boss also.
What's that you got?
Halika na dito. So, yan. Kanina pa po siya galit sa akin. regla yata tong anak ko, kaya nagagalit siya. Sige dito. Bati na tayo.
No, I don't.
Why you don't? Yan.
Hey, mga kapitoys, go away!
Ay, galit na naman po siya. High blood na naman po. Pinaglihi yata sa sama ng loob. Boss Erzine.
Hey, mga kapitoys, stop it!
Bakit ka ba galit?
Want to face the wall?
Ikaw, do you want to face the wall?
The mga kapitoys ang face the wall again.
No, you. You lang.
Face the wall, guys.
You face the wall.
The wall?
Do you want to face the wall?
Stop.
Oh, sige, bilang ka nga. Oh, sige, bilangan mo. Ay, bad. Nagiging monster na po siya, mga kabitoy. Huwag ka na magalit, bati na tayo.
No! I'm very angry.
You need to speak Tagalog.
No, I'm not. I'm not a monster. I'm big gold.
No?
I'm gold.
Ano yun?
I'm golden.
Goldie? Goldie fish?
No,
Are you a fish?
no, I'm gold.
Pogi ka ba?
No, I'm gold.
Ano?
I'm gold.
Ano yun?
I'm a gold fish.
Pagpasensyahan nyo na po, mga kabitoy. Hindi ko po alam kung anong pinagsasabi niya. Aray ko. So, ayun, tatawag na po ako ng pulis. Kasi may batang makulit dito. May batang mainit ang ulo. Do you want me to call the police?
I need to call the monster.
Do you want me to call the monster?
I need to call the mold.
Ano yun?
Need to call the mold.
Bakit ka ba nagagalit?
Because I need to call the mold.
Halika na, bati na tayo.
No, I'm very angry to the wall.
Angry ka sa wall?
Yes.
Why?
And what am I thinking?
Bakit angry ka sa wall?
Wrong.
Halika na, bati na tayo.
No, I don't.
Hindi ko alam bakit lagi siyang ganyan. Konting ano lang, galit na po siya. Pinaglihi po siya sa sama ng loob siguro.
Because stop it.
Hey, you bad! You stop it!
Stop.
Diba?
Want to stop?
O, sige, stamp ka. You count in Tagalog.
No. I'm very,
Sa.
very angry.
Dalawa.
Kill. Stop.
Kinang ano yung car?
No, the car. Okay. Yes.
So, ayun na po, mga kabitoy. Wala naman kaming ginagawa ngayon. Dahil-data lang.
Hey, my kapitoy, stop it.
Batang ng gugulo. Ano hinahanap mo?
Huh?
Ano hinahanap mo?
I need to find my tablet.
Tagalog.
Tablet.
Anong tablet?
Mami, Tagalog tablet.
Tabletas.
Tabletas. Mami, tablet. Mami, ko tablet.
Tagalog muna kanina na sinasabi mo kanina.
Mama, I don't like tomorrow so mga kapitoy.
Bakit? Ano to, Saint?
No, stop it!
What's this?
Oh, stop it, Mami!
Baba! Wala, sige. Ano hinahanap mo? Asan yung ano, sabi mo?
Tablet ko.
Ano yun?
Yung tablet ko, may...
Ano po? Ano po?
Yung tablet ko!
Ano po?
Tablet!
Wala ka na naman po.
Mami, tablet ko! Where's my tablet po, Mami?
Ba't nagagalit ka?
Because I'm finding my tablet for me.
Tagalog.
I don't know.
I don't know. ka, monkey?
Where's my tablet?
Baba ka na dyan.
It's a red light.
O, let's go home na lang.
Yes. Well, let's go home now.
Yeah, let's go home, then we will sleep.
Yes.
Want to sleep na ba?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Mama, I don't like to sleep. Gusto ko tablet ko.
Ha?
Sa tablet ko.
Ano nang gagawin sa tablet mo po?
Gusto watch ko Octonauts.
Octonauts?
Yes.
Ba't gusto mo mag-watch ng Octonauts? Is that your favorite?
Yes, like Octonauts, like panda, like penguin, like a cat, diba? Like Fuzzy and Peso and Barnacles, diba?
Hindi ba? Ha?
Barnacles, say Barnacles, and Peso, and say Quasi,
Ano yun?
say English bear, English, ano to?
Oh, ano yan?
Head.
Tagalog.
No, just head lang. Ano to?
Head.
Ano to?
Oh, ano yan?
I don't, my rubber.
May rubber.
Mama, ano to? Ano to? Ano to?
You're trying to speak Tagalog talaga.
Ano to, the brownies? What's this, the brown? What's this, all brown?
Wood.
Okay, ano to, bilang?
Sapin.
Okay.
Over.
Ano to? Ano to, red?
Window.
Okay. Ano to, red to the taas?
It's a Christmas light.
Ano yung to the hisitin?
Alin?
The there, to the taas, siyan.
Ano siyan?
Come on, magkapitos. Let's go up. Up.
Alin?
Oh, yes, see. It's upstairs.
It's Our Lady of Manawag.
Okay.
And then, Papa God.
Ito.
Jesus Christ.
Okay. Ano to?
Alin?
Ano to? Ano to? Yes, dark. Ano to? Yes, card. This is my card. Ano to? Yes, my mixer truck. The mixer truck. The mixer truck. Mixer truck. The mixer truck.
Pag wala kang magawa, dyan ka tumutungtong, no? Ikat mo ngayon.
Baba ka na dyan. Makuryente ka. Ay, ang daming ano dyan, oh.
Yo.
Go down.
You will get electro... Ano yun? Electro-product?
Bigay mo yan. You go down. Are you the spider?
No, I am a Spider-Man.
Are you Spider-Man?
Yes, I'm really cool Spider-Man.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm really cool Spider-Man. If it's a spider, climb up the wall, the spout. Okay, the rain and watch the spider run. Little baby spider coming out the rain. It's a bitsy spider, climb up the spout again.
Ganyan ka.
Ay, dali.
Oh,
Tatlo. Dali.
one,
May tatlo.
May tatlong bibe akong nakita. Mataba, mapayat,
no, just that lang.
Oh, ayun na nga.
Nina Lou like a duck.
Oh.
Like Nani, like a duck.
Siyang nagsabi ng
Quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack.
censored na yan.
Quack, quack, quack.
Siyang hindi na nagsabi ng wak, wak.
Quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack. Nani, quack, quack,
Ano,
quack.
ani na siya, wak, wak, wak.
Like Ani na shoe.
Ano ka, hindi naman yun eh. Like, ano na po siya, ang tawag dito, nag-imagine, and ano ba yun?
I got you.
Mag-click ka dyan. Nag-imbento na po siya ng bagong
Mga kapitan, let's go home now.
lyrics.
Let's go home now.
Let's go home now.
Yes, let's bring the car.
Oh, you say bye-bye ka mga kabitoys.
Bye mga kapitoy. See you later. Subscribe. Just chat children.
Please like.
Please like.
Hi guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ulit. Hey guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell para lagi po kayong updated sa aming mga videos. Bye!